Have you ever wondered why some brands seem to understand you no matter where you engage with them? This seamless magic is the power of omnichannel marketing, a strategy that's reshaping retail. But fragmented experiences are where many businesses falter, losing valuable customer trust. Effective inventory management is key, ensuring products are available whenever and wherever needed. Cross-channel communication is the glue that holds the customer experience together. Customers enjoy a personalized experience, feeling valued and understood. For retail managers, the omnichannel approach simplifies operations and data analysis. Omnichannel isn't just a buzzword, it's the new standard for customer-centric business. Join the revolution, and let's build a future where every customer interaction is an opportunity.